The biggest thing for football ya Kenya sio elite football, ni grassroots football. It's a small guy who needs to be trained, the young guy in the village that we have never reached, that we have never given a chance to train, that we have never given a chance to rise.
Very, very proud of this partnership. First of all, because we have a strong commitment here in Africa. Remember that last year La Liga bring FC Barcelona to South Africa, we bring Atletico Madrid to Nigeria, and now we are happy to start this project with Chapa Dimba, with Safari Telecom, to bring the best of football, bringing top coach of La Liga to come here to Kenya, try to have a scouting project with here in Kenya to try to recruit the best talent, boys and girls.